Welcome to an overview discussion and demonstration of the SOLIDWORKS add-in from DELMIAworks. This tool provides links from parts designed within SOLIDWORKS and assembly data to DELMIAworks, including inventory, bills of material, project manager, preventative maintenance, and engineering change orders. This makes for a cohesive interchange of data that reduces the potential for manual keying errors and ensures accuracy throughout the system, as well as strengthening the already seamless link between product design and manufacturing. The SOLIDWORKS add-in is a piece of software that is added to the existing SOLIDWORKS environment, which allows users to gain direct access to modules within DELMIAworks in real time and grants access to the document control libraries. In addition to passing information effortlessly between modules, users can use the document control modules within Enterprise IQ to check out SOLIDWORKS documents, as well as use workflows for sign-offs, managing document libraries, and tracking documentation revision histories. This means that every time a user checks out, edits, and checks those same documents back in, the system updates the version of said document, ensuring only the most updated copies are available for other users to access and view. This also prevents overwriting of documents, since edits are not allowed on a specific file while it is being checked out by another user at the same time. The SOLIDWORKS add-in also provides the ability to easily auto-generate bills of material, inventory items, project management, and preventative maintenance records in DELMIAworks, based on the items designed and engineered within SOLIDWORKS. This provides organizations the ability to manage production, purchasing, and supply chains without having to recreate records. Users also have the ability to link parts, tools, and other assembly file details and configurations to various areas within DELMIAworks. Employee productivity is also increased due to the elimination of not only the recreation of item records, but also the time wasted due to rekeying errors that often present themselves as a result of this manual work. The complete integration of SOLIDWORKS with key modules within DELMIAworks goes a long way to maintaining a seamless relationship between the systems. For example, if an engineer were working on a project within Project Manager, which is also linked to its corresponding record within SOLIDWORKS, they would be able to jump into the project, clock in to that specific project, and automatically track the time spent working through the project. We will now take a look at SOLIDWORKS and the add-in, starting with the login. Once users have used their DELMIAworks credentials, they will be presented with both SOLIDWORKS itself and the corresponding add-in on the right. With this tool, users have the ability to open files from DELMIAworks directly within the SOLIDWORKS interface, including document control, inventory document control, bill of material document control, MRO, and project manager. When a document is opened, its corresponding bill of material is shown on the right side of the screen, in this case, a multi-level BOM. Using a set of icons, the system tells users whether each document also resides in the system's document control system, as well as the document-specific status. With this example, the document labeled RT Station B is checked out. With a right mouse click, we can jump to this specific document record in Document Control. Here we can access more information regarding this document within the larger library. The color coding here confirms the document is in fact marked as checked out, as indicated by the yellow bar. As a side note, within Document Control, users can check the box labeled Convert to PDF for Module Display, which converts the files to a PDF once they are checked in. This allows for shop floor users who might be using document control libraries on an Android tablet to pull up these PDFs to view the specifications for the part and assembly files. Below the BOM structure of this assembly, we can see the various areas of DELMIAworks to which this specific item is linked, including inventory, a bill of material, and a project. The system allows users to jump to any of these linked areas within the system with a simple click of the mouse. Clicking on the inventory item brings up the official inventory record for the item, and selecting the bill of material brings up this assembly's BOM. As a side note, when we click on the Item Details tab, we can see the same BOM structure that we saw in SOLIDWORKS. Finally, when clicking on the project link, we can see the project this assembly is associated with, allowing us to clock in as we mentioned earlier. Once a user has done their work, created and extracted their bill of material, they can directly import the information directly into DELMIAworks. By clicking on the Import Wizard button, Users can use the mapper to define the fields for an item, providing the system the guidelines to accurately copy the information from SOLIDWORKS into DELMIAworks. This can be done for an inventory item, bill of material, or both, allowing for different types of maps. Once this has been completed, users can click on Wizard to actually start the process of creating the records within DELMIAworks step by step. The resulting screen previews the items that will be brought into the system, the inventory items to be created, which includes the class, description, and unit of measure from the mapper, as well as the bills of material that will be auto-created in DELMIAworks. You will notice on this screen that we have a manufacturing number and item number that is underscored in red. This indicates a problem with the length of the name, specifically ones that have exceeded the maximum character limit. Once these names have been shortened, the system will no longer indicate this issue. Once the user is satisfied that things look right, they can click on Import All to begin the import into DELMIAworks. As you can see, the system has created our new records within DELMIAworks. We can now jump to the bill of material and find the item that was just created in the system. The timestamp located on the BOM shows the date and time of its creation, in this case, the import. When users link records in SOLIDWORKS to those in DELMIAworks, the documents are linked as well. With this BOM, you can see both associated documents within the Documents tab, and since they are checked out within SOLIDWORKS, that same status is reflected here. This is also true of inventory and project records. Because the records in SOLIDWORKS and their counterparts within DELMIAworks must remain updated at all times, the SOLIDWORKS add-in provides an update wizard, which ensures this consistency is maintained between the two applications. Users can use this tool to instantly update the DELMIAworks record based on the changes they made to the assembly in SOLIDWORKS. Users can see which documents that are associated with the BOM we're viewing are not protected within document control by mousing over each item here. When this is the case, these documents are not considered secure, and it's typically a good idea to make sure they are added to document control. To do this, users can simply right-click on one of these items and select Add to Document Control. Users will then select the library where the document should be stored, as well as any comments they would like to add. Once this happens, the status of the document will change, and this document can now be jumped to within document control with a simple right-click. As we have seen, the SOLIDWORKS add-in provides the best way to effortlessly integrate vital information with the various modules within DELMIAworks, and ensuring vital design and engineering documents are continually kept up to date with the use of document control. Thank you for taking the time to watch our demonstration of the SOLIDWORKS add-in from DELMIAworks. If you would like more information on the products and services from DELMIAworks, please visit 3ds.com/DELMIAworks.